Let us just guys start today learning the window functions. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So we will start guys today to learn some more, window function, and then we will continue from there. So let me just, start guys. Okay. So let us just focus here. Okay. So, yeah. So let us just see here guys. So some more window function I'm using. Let us just try to see here which are the window function we are using. And today we will learn guys some more window function like first, we will learn there's something called as running total, and this is called as cumulative sum. Next, we will learn the cumulative average, and guys, then we will learn something called as lag, and then something called as lead, and then something called as when we update the Windows function using the rows between, and we are putting some specific values in that, and then we'll try to get the output of the sum, and then we'll try to learn what is first value and last value. So let us just learn, guys, one by one. So let us start from line number one. So this is, from window, we are, to perform the Windows function, we need to import the window. So from PySpark.sql.window, we are just importing the window. And from PySpark.sql, we are importing the function and whose name we are given as, F. So the complete code is PySpark.sql import functions as F. And from PySpark.sql, we have imported this Spark session. We have initialized this Spark session using Spark session.builder.app name, and the name I have given is window, function. Yes or no, guys? And this is dot get or create, which will, create the Spark session. Now, this is data, guys. This kind of data are there, which is in the form of tuple, and overall this is in the form of list. And then we are creating a, a data frame using the method create data frame. We are passing the ID category and, a value as the column, and this is the data. And df.show, this will show the, data frame. Till here, guys, line number 18. Are you clear how to create a data frame? Any doubt?
Yes, yes.
Are you guys clear? Tell me yes or no.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
This is simple creation of the data frame, guys. Now what we are doing, we have to specify the window specification as we done for row number, rank, and dense rank. Similarly, we are doing for window specification equals to window. And then what we're doing, dot partition by this category. So suppose this is a, uh, just give me 1 second, guys. Yeah. Where is the, I just want to see the output. Okay. So, okay. So there's no output. Let me just, execute it so that I can, explain you. So what will happen is that data frame will be created, whose ID will be, this IDs, and whose category will be this categories, and whose values will be this values. Do you guys agree with me? Yes or no, guys?
Yes. Yes.
And then what will happen? We are partitioning based on what? The category. So which are the category, guys? A will be a category and B will be a category. Do you guys agree with me?
Yes.
And then we are sorting based on this value. Suppose A is a, this is the, partition. A is a category, B is a category. In that, we are sorting based on the value 100, 200, 300, 400, 500. Do you guys agree? This is the window specification. Are you clear with the window specification? Any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. So now if you are clear with the window specification, now I'll come to line number 19. What we are doing is that running total, this cumulative, sum. Everyone should know cumulative sum. That means what, guys? Whenever you write, partition by, category, order by value, and in this, in place of dense rank, you are writing what? You're writing the sum. Then it becomes a cumulative sum. Yes or no, guys? Yes. Let us just see. Is it cumulative sum? We are taking 100. This is fine, guys. 100 plus 200, is it 300? Tell me, guys, yes or no?
Yes.
And then what will happen? For this record, it is what? Tell me. 300 plus 200 plus 100. Is it 600? Yes or no, guys?
Yes. Yes.
And for B partition, it is 400 and 500 plus 400, 900. So is it cumulative sum or not? Same like, you're in
Yes.
your SQL. You have used cumulative sum in your SQL. Tell me yes or no, guys. So we just put, sum, and it should, display the output. Invalid arguments. What about that?
Cumulative sum we have not used in SQL actually.
You have not used in SQL?
I have not.
You have not used anything. Okay. Whenever there is any complex thing, you have never used, huh? Let us just see. This is a sum, okay? This is called cumulative, sum. Okay, sum of, we are putting the sum of, this is a correct query actually. Just give me 1 second.
First answer, select the answer.
In SQL, we are using this one. Just, partition. We are not putting partition, no? Let us just put a partition. Partition by what? Tell me. Department, underscore ID. Yes or no? Yes or no, guys?
Yes.
This is partition by department ID, guys. Tell me yes or no. Let me just, just see.
Select sum of
Select sum of, salary. Okay.
okay, salary.
Over and then partition by, department ID and order by salary. And then we are putting what? Descending order, comma e dot star. Let me just see this time. Yes or no, guys? Are you getting the output? Tell me yes or no. So now what will happen? Are we getting the cumulative, sum? Yes or no, guys? Let me just see here. So now see, what is the department 10? The salary is 4,400. Do you guys agree with me?
So
Yes or
50,
no?
go to 50, I
No,
think.
no, for department 20, guys, tell me what will be the, cumulative,
13 plus 6, which is 19. Yeah.
yes or no, guys? Are you able to see? So let me just, remove this descending and let me just take a simple table so that I can, explain you more precisely. Just, I don't want descending order. Okay. Let us first see this table. Let us first see, suppose this is a table. Okay. So this is a table, guys. Okay. This is, something, for the departments. Okay. So now let us just go to, let us just, short it with the department so that we can, see it. Okay. Suppose order by, department. So see, guys, this is department 10, the salary is 4,400. Department 20, what are the salaries, guys? Tell me. It is 1,300, 1,000 and 6,000. Do you guys agree with me? Yes or no?
Yeah.
Yes.
Let me just, take a screenshot of this so that, we can just analyze the value. Yes or no, guys? Yes. So now let us just see, cumulative, sum. So now see, this is your, this is your normal table and this is your cumulative sum. Yes or no, guys? Yes. Now for tell me for department 10, it is what? 4,400. This is fine, guys. For department 20, what are the things? First value is what? 6,000. And the second value will be cumulative. That means what? 6,000 plus 13,000, it is 19,000.
19,000. Correct,
For
sir.
30, for department number 30, what is the first value, guys? Tell me. For department number 30, the lowest
11
value here.
11,000.
No, no, lowest value.
Lowest
I think
value.
2,500. Yes or no, guys?
27.
2,500. Do you guys agree with me? First value, the lowest value is 2,500. Yes or no, guys?
Mhm.
And then we will be taking the cumulative. That means 2,500 plus 2,600. Is it 5,100? Yes or no, guys? Yes.
Yes,
Now
sir.
what will happen? 2,500, 2,600, and 2,800. It is 7,900. Are you able to understand that we get a cumulative, sum when we use a sum and then we put a over? Do you guys agree with me? We get the cumulative sum. You can, just keep this, SQL for you to get the cumulative sum. Yes or no, guys? Hi,
Yes.
Naren. So what is the thing what I wanted to tell you that when we put a dense rank, we were getting a rank. When we put the row number and dense rank. Now if we put any aggregate function, what is happening? Are we getting the cumulative sum or not? Tell me guys, yes or no? Tell me guys,
Yes.
yes or no?
Yes,
Suppose
sir.
for 20, what is happening? First value is 6,000. Now the second value is will be what? Cumulative 13,000 plus 6,000 is 19,000. I showed you guys, yes or no?
Yes.
So that is called as what, guys? Cumulative values, cumulative sum. Yes or no, guys? 6,000 plus 13,000 is 19,000. Yes or no?
Yeah.
So similarly, guys, here what is happening is that we are getting the cumulative sum. This is also called as, running total. Okay? F dot sum value. Yes or no, guys? Tell me yes or no. Are you clear with this one? For
Yes, sir.
A, the first value is 100, then 100 plus 200, it is 300, then So 100 plus 200 plus 300, it is 600. Then for B, it is 400, 500 plus 400, 900. This is called cumulative sum. Tell me, guys, yes or no? Any
Yes.
doubt here?
No, sir.
Okay, now this is the cumulative average, guys. What is it's also called as moving average. So cumulative average, what will happen? Instead of sum, what I will put here? Average. Do you guys agree with me? Instead of sum, what I can put here? Average. And then we will get the cumulative average. Yes or
Can you
no?
please give that query?
I have given in the chat. Okay, you can just have it. Okay.
Yeah. Sorry.
Some people are, nowadays asking how to get cumulative sum and cumulative average in the interviews. And, people like Chanakya will get confused. Okay. So this is now cumulative average. Now tell me, for
We
20, what
also
will be the
confused, sir. Not
what,
he.
huh?
We all are confused, not he.
Yeah. Yeah, people, they get confused because because lack of, knowledge. Okay. So let us
Yeah.
just see your cumulative average. Now you don't get confused. Now you are clear? Yes or no?
Yes, we
So
can.
now for 20, tell me how will you get the cumulative, average? The first value is what? 6,000, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
And now what will happen? What will be the average? 13,000 plus 6,000 divided by 2. It will be around, 9,500. Are you able to see this one? Yes or no, guys? So are you getting the cumulative average? Yes or no, guys?
Yes.
Any doubt here? First value is 6,000. So 6,000 average is 6,000 only. There is no one to divide it. 6,000 by 1 is 6,000 only. Now second value, what will happen? It will sum up these two values. That will be 19,000 divided by 2, 9,500. Are you able to see the cumulative average? Yes or no, guys? Guys, tell me yes or no.
Yes, we can.
So you guys got the cumulative average query also. And similarly, we are getting here. Tell me how we are getting here. Cumulative average, moving average. Mukesh, are you able to understand? This is 100. 100 plus 200. What will
300.
happen? 300 divided by 2, 150. Now what
Sir,
will happen? Yeah.
my question is for first one, for first row,
Hmm.
it is coming 100 only. Means the first and second would be, means first would be itself.
Divided by 1.
See, one value is there. What is the average of one value? What it will
That
divide it
only.
by 1 only. So it will be 100 only.
Okay. Okay, sir. Got
Now
it.
this is the second value. So how many values are there? There are two values.
2. Yes,
So
sir.
what will happen? 200 plus 100 is how much? 300.
300. Yes, sir.
300 divided by 2 is what? 150.
Yes, sir.
Now for here, now there are how many values? Three values.
3 values.
300 plus 200 plus 100. How much it is? 600 divided by 3 is 200. Yes or no? For B, it is what? One value, 400. Two values, 400 plus 500, 900 divided by 2, 450.
Sir, sorry, this one, 100, 200, 300 became 600 divided by 3. Okay, okay, got it, sir. Got it. Yes, sir.
Guys, are you understanding cumulative average? Yes or no, guys?
Yeah.
Yes, we can.
There is something called as lag and lead. Have you heard about that?
Yes, sir.
What is that?
No.
So lag is, guys, when we want to take the data from the previous record, and lead is what, when we want to take the data from the next record. Okay. All these things, when I teach, ETL manual, I take in depth. So that's why I'm taking these things also in depth, because window function is something which is, very, very important. So now lag is, from previous record, lead is from the next record. So let us just try to understand what is the previous and what is next. So this is called as, guys, the previous value. So what will happen is that, so previous value means what, guys? The previous value of 100, which is null. Okay. Now what will happen? This 100 will come, this 200 will come, and then this 300 will not come. Now again for 400, what is the previous value? There's nothing previous value, and then this is 400. 500 will not come. This is called, guys, lag. That means you're lagging. You're going to the previous values. For 100, the previous value is what? There's no previous value. Is coming as 100. Then the values are coming 100, 200. But this 300 will not come because there are only 3 rows which we can insert here. For 400, the previous value is null. And then the 400 is coming. 500 will not come because only 2 records are there for division of partition 5. Tell me, guys, any doubt here?
Means just previous will consider, right?
Yes, that is what is the, you are taking the offset as 1. If you take offset as 2, then we'll open previous. Okay. Suppose it is
Okay.
300, for 300 it will come as 100. Yes or no?
Okay. So, okay, got it, sir.
This is called as lag, guys. So previous values, if you want to get, you will use what called as lag. The next value, if you want to get, you will use lead. So how to get the next value, guys? For 100, what is the next value? 200. Then what is the next value? 300. After 300, there is no value, so it is coming as null. For 400, the next value is 500, and then it is null. Yes or no, guys?
Yeah,
Any
but
doubt?
what condition we do this one? I mean, um,
There is something called a slowly changing dimension. Do you know that?
yeah.
What happens? There's a historic record in that, right? So we want to get
Hmm.
the historic record, what was the previous value or what was the next value. In those kind of validations, we use this lead and lag. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
So did you understood lead and lag? They tell me this one. Any
Yeah.
doubt here? How to get the previous value? We are using something called as lag. How to get the next value? We are using something called as lead. Tell me, what are you able to understand this thing?
Yes,
Yeah.
yes,
Tell me, guys, yes or no?
yes.
Yes, sir.
Next, guys.
This is not history, right? I mean, this is
No. This is not history. This is just to illustrate what is a lead and lag. Okay.
yeah. Because SCD, we replace it with the new value, or
That,
you can see
yeah,
the
that is
history.
SCD type 1, right? In SCD type 2, do we have the history? Do you remember that?
Yes. Yes.
Previous value and then the active record, historic record. In those kind of situations, sometimes we'll require lead and lag for the validation. Okay. You asked
Yeah.
when we require, so I told you in that kind of validations we use lead and lag. Okay.
Yeah.
So did you
Okay.
understood what is a can lag? Any doubt here, guys, in how the output is displayed here? Guys, tell me yes or no. Lag value
Yes, sir.
Yes,
and lead
yes, yes,
value. Yes or no?
yes.
Yes, sir. That
Yeah.
can understand.
Next is, guys, this is the order by ID, okay? And what will happen is that we're taking the rows between -2 and 0, okay? So if you take the, if you want to take, guys, the order by, by the ID and rows you are taking is, you're specifying the values. Suppose this is -2 and 0 from this last two values if you want to get. And then you want to get the, sum. So what will happen in this case, guys? So what will happen is that last two values sum will come. What will happen is that this is the rolling sum, guys. This is the rolling sum. So what will happen is that, see here, f dot sum. So what will happen is that this is 100. And then the last two values, sum. What will happen is that 100 plus 200 is 300. Yes or no, guys? And now what will happen for this? It is 300 plus 200 plus 100. That means what? First value and the last two values, guys. For here, the first value is 100 and last two values are not there, so it is 100 only. For here, this is the first value is 200 and last two values, there is only one value that, so it's coming as 100. 200 plus 100 is 300. For here, this is 300 and last two values is 200 plus 100. That means 300 plus 300 is 600. Similarly, for here, B, it is, for first value is what, guys, and last two values we have to always consider. The first value is what? For B, it is, 400. And then the last two values is, 300 plus 200, that is 500 plus 400, it is 900. And similarly, guys, for here, it is 500. 500 plus 400 plus 300 is nothing but, 7 plus 5 is 1200. Yes or no, guys?
Sir, why
Any doubt?
the two you are taking?
Hmm?
Previous two. Why you are taking previous two only?
This we
That
have put here the
okay.
condition rows between
Okay.
-2 and 0. Okay, let me just explain it
So,
on more detail.
yeah, I didn't understand, sir.
Just let me just this explain you some more detail. Okay. So guys, this is this is instead of using partition by, okay, we have defined row based or range based window. This is called as what, guys? Row based or range based window. Okay. So what will happen is this, when order by ID and rows between -2 and 0. Okay. So now what is happening is that, so instead of partition by, guys, we are not, giving the partition by here, and we are defining row based on a range. What is the range? Rows between -2 and 0. Are you able to understand? So get the sum of the current and the previous two rows. Yes or no, guys? Get the sum of what? Current and the previous two row. We are not specifying the partition by, and what is happening is that we are defining a row based on the range or range based window. What is the range? Row between -2 and 0. So now what will happen if you take the sum, guys? So suppose the sum will be what, guys? The for ID A it will be what? 100 only, because last two values are not present. For ID, suppose I take 2. So the current value is 200 and last two values is what? Only 100 is present. So 100 plus 200 is 300. For ID 3, and what will happen? 300 plus 200, last two values are 200 plus 100, 300 plus 300 is 600. Similarly, for B, what will happen, guys? Can someone explain me what will happen for B?
Sir,
What is the
400 plus 300 plus 200 means
Yes, because this is the current
900.
value and last two values is what? 300 plus 200. Yes or no,
Correct.
guys?
Yes,
So
sir.
what will happen? 3 plus 2, 5 plus 4, 900. Yes or no,
Correct.
guys?
And the last
Similarly,
is
for 500, what will happen? 500
400.
plus 400 plus 300, 1200. Yes or no, guys?
500. Now we understood. I understood. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes or no, guys?
Yes, sir. Crystal clear.
So let me just, comment these two things. Execute this.
But this one also very less time. I mean, in SQL,
Yeah,
we use
very less time this
very
is
less.
used, but I told you now the window function what I'm teaching now. I
Yeah,
think there's no subject left after this. This much detail is actually far above expectation. Rank,
yeah,
dense rank, and row number is enough. Okay.
Yeah.
But I am
yeah,
teaching that if someone asks you, okay, what is a lead, what is a lag, what is cumulative sum, and what is cumulative average, okay, and what if we will not use partition by, and then what is the rows between, you should not be blank, okay.
Yes,
Okay,
yes.
so
yeah,
that is
yeah.
why I'm going in such a detail, okay, that you can go to the next level. Okay, if someone asks you what is this, you can just tell it. Yes or no, guys?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Because nowadays interviews are not that much simple that they will tell you find the rank, okay, or find the dense rank. They might ask the I want to get the cumulative sum and cumulative average, and that time it should not be that at least people who are learning from me should be blank. At least they should be able to give the answer that cumulative sum will come by instead put a function called as sum, and then we'll partition and we will order by. We'll get the cumulative sum, we'll get the cumulative average, lag will give the previous records, lead will give the next records. Are you able to understand, guys? Yes or no?
Yes, we
Is it executing or not executing? It's executing. When till the time you see this red button, no means it is executing. Yes or no, guys?
Yeah.
Let it get, guys, executed. Are you guys, executing or not nowadays? See, we will discuss this, guys, after the class. What is the progress of your, installation thing? Okay.
Yeah.
Yes.
So this is the first value, guys, to get the first value in a partition, which is 100. Okay. And for the first value in this partition, which is what, 400. Last value, guys, there is some problem with the last value. You cannot just, directly use last value. If you use, you will get the, same values. So see, if you see this output, no, just please see first, then I will go to the next one. The last value, according to me, it should be 300 for this partition A, and it should be 500 for this partition B. Do you guys agree with me? Yes or no? First value and last value. First value means in this partition, what is the first value? It is 100. Yes or no, guys?
100.
And
Yeah.
for B, it is 400. Yes or no, guys?
Yeah.
Yes.
Similarly, for the last value, it should be 300 for the partition A, and this should be 500 for partition B. Do you guys agree with me? Yes or no? But what is happening? The entire values are coming. Yes or no, guys? So this which is wrong. Okay, so you have to use something called as, guys, to get the last value. Only this is the problem with the last value. You have to use something called as rows between windows dot unbounded preceding comma windows dot unbounded following. Because if you don't use no guys, you cannot use guys that is the last value. The last function you cannot use like that. So if to use last function, you have to use this mandatorily Windows dot unbounded preceding dot comma Windows dot unbounded following. Else what will happen? It will give the same result. Yes or no, guys? Let us just see here.
Just keep executing.
Are you able to get the desired output, guys? Tell me yes or no.
Just
100 last value.
What will be the for category? What is the last value? Tell me. A.
Yeah.
What is the last value?
300.
300.
300. Are you
300.
getting
Yeah.
300
Yeah.
or not?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
And for B, what is the last value?
Yeah. 500.
500. And if you don't use this, Windows dot unbounded preceding, Windows dot unbounded following, what is happening? All the values are coming. Did I show you? Yes or no, guys? Yes or no,
So
guys? Tell
why
me
we
yes or no.
use this, sir? This function means
This is the restriction, okay, for using the last function. If you don't use, what will happen? Tell me, you will get the same output. See, let us just see the only the last thing, okay? Let us remove all these things, okay? Oh, let us just comment, guys, okay? So now just let us just execute. Till that time, guys, yes. Are you able to see the last value now? What is happening? What is the output? Tell me, guys, what is the output? Oh, is this executing? Let it get executed.
executing, sir.
Let it get executed.
300, 300, 300, 500, 500.
No, let it get executed, no? Then we will see. Okay.
This is the first value.
Yeah, let it get executed, guys. I just want to see one thing. Till the time it is executing. Yeah. For each row in a category, let get the last value based on the current window frame. Okay. By default, last and first considers only current value unless a window framework is defined. So without a proper framework like rows between window dot unbounding preceding, window dot unbounded following, you may not get the expected result. To get the true value in the group, we have to use guys rows between windows dot unbounded preceding, windows dot unbounded following. Only for the last value, guys, we have to use this. See here. Now what is happening? Last value. The first value is fine. Last value, what we are getting here? See, tell me. Last value should be for category A, it should be 300, right? 300, 300, 300. For B, it should be 500, 500. Are we getting the correct result? Tell me yes or no.
No, sir.
Are we getting the correct result? No. So what we have to use, guys, for the last value, we have to mandatorily use what? Window dot unbounded
Unbound
preceding and
preceding.
window dot unbounded for following. Yes or no, guys? Else we will not get the expected result which I have written here also. That for the last, what happens? For each row in a category, get the last value based on the current window frame. By default, last and first considers only current row unless a window frame is defined. So without a proper frame like rows between window dot unbounded preceding and window dot unbounded following, you might not get the result. Okay. So we have to use mandatorily, guys, got what? And windows dot unbounding preceding and windows dot unbounded following. Yes or no, guys? Tell me yes or no. So I'm writing here, the output of the last one, where we were not getting the desired result. So that you remember. Okay. No, here, yeah, this was the output. not getting the desired, output based on the last value. Yes or no, guys? So for that, what do we have to do? We have to use something called as what, guys? Rows between window dot unbounded preceding and window dot unbounded
That
following.
unbound following.
Yes, no, guys, I have written here the code. Yes or no, guys?
Yeah.
So you can just, go here and see our code. Yes or no, guys? If you want the entire code, I'm writing this also. This is your entire code. So this is what is the, guys, there's not much, window function left, but there's one more, last window function called as, guys, NTILE. So again, this is very, very, rare. One interview, one guy has asked this, okay? That too, the interviewer was telling you don't need to know everything, okay? In one of a student, okay? But he asked this question, okay? So from that time, guys, this has been included in our syllabus. There's something called as NTILE. So now, guys, the NTILE, what will happen is now NTILE is a window function returns the relative rank of the result rows within a window partition. So in the below example, we have used two as an argument and tile hence returning a rank between 1 and 2. So after the partitions, it gives a particular rank based on the number of, tiles we mention. So let us just try to learn this, as n tile. So let us just, create a new file for, n tile.
So, sir, data set is different here, right? Data set
This
has
is the,
salary,
simple
salary.
data, these are the data, these are the column. We're just creating a, a data frame and then we are partitioning based on the department and sorting based on the salary. Now, entile we want to assign, for every row, after this, the partitioning is done based on the department and sorting is done based on the salary. How the entile is, providing a set of, rank by itself. So that is what we want to learn. Okay. So that is what I have written here. So entile window function, if you see here, entile window function returns the relative rank. So how the entile is returning a relative rank of result rows within a window partition. So we will see that how the entile is, providing the relative rank. So what is happening is, guys, we have partitions based on the department. Finance is a department and marketing is a department. Sales is a department. And then we have sorted based on the salary, guys. Okay, suppose this is the salary sorted for the finance. Now it is providing its own, rank. Who is providing entile? How many rank it will provide? Two. How it will provide? So for the same, salary, it's provided a rank called as one. For the another, it provided a rank called as two. Similarly, we'll let us stay for the marketing. What will happen, guys? Is rank one and two. And for sales, what is happening, guys? These are same rank, so it is one. And now what will happen is that for this one, it can provide only two ranks. So what will happen for this two? It has provided one, and again for this two, for this one, it has provided, one, and for this two, it has provided two. So what happens is that it wanted to divide the entire records into two parts. Okay, so it will divide the entire records into two parts. How many records are there here, guys? Tell me. For sales, one, two, three, four, five records are there. Yes or no, guys? So 5 if you divide by 2, so it is something like 2.5. So it will consider 3 records as one rank and 2 records at one rank as a one rank. So what will happen? 3 record it has given 1, 1, 1, and for 2 record it has given 2, 2. Yes or no, guys? Tell me any doubt in the entire.
No, sir, I didn't understand. So this one.
Chaitanya and
No, sir. Once more.
Naren, any doubt? Guys, please ask, because once in an interview they have asked what is entile. So
Yeah,
entile
yeah.
is, yeah, tell me,
Yes,
yes.
sir. Yeah, first one 3001 and the two are not matching, right? 3000 on different value, right? 3300.
33,000.
No, let us just take this one, okay? Finance one, okay?
Uh-huh.
Now understand the ranking of entile will be based on number of records. So for finance, how many records are there?
Three.
Three.
Three record, and it will give only two ranks. Okay, one and two. It will give how many ranks? One and two.
Okay.
Okay.
Mhm.
So now what
Mhm.
happens? It divided this one. It divided this particular things into two part. Okay. What is the first part? Tell me. One, and next is what? Two. Okay. So what happened is that for this two, it has given the rank as one. For another one, it has given the rank as two. Are you able to
Yeah.
understand? Let me
Yeah.
just elaborate more. Okay. Let us
Yes.
just take it in a Excel.
So why don't it will be 2 to 1?
Yeah.
That is what we will discuss. Just let us just this kind of data are displayed as an output. How can we move it to the next record, guys? ETL manual tester, can you just tell me, Chaitanya?
What? Can you repeat again, sir?
No, I was telling how to see it, different records. It's shown in one record. So how can we, suppose this is a pipeline is coming, I want to see in a different record. So how can we, just
In,
change
in
it? That is
various
Delimiter
rows
with the
level.
pipe symbol delimiter. Yeah.
yes or no? This is the way. Yes or no, guys?
Yeah.
Let us just try to understand, okay?
Yeah.
So this is, guys, something called as NTILE. I don't know, one interview they have asked. From that time we have included. Okay. So this is, guys, this is something called as finance. This is one of the department. There's something called as marketing. This is one of the department. Okay. And this is something called as sales. Yes or no, guys? This is one of the department. So now what will happen, guys? Okay. Now tell me. So for finance, how many records are there? First tell me, how many records are there?
Three.
Three. And NTILE is how much? And tile how much, what is the value we are putting? We are putting the value as 2. Okay. So this 3 record will be divided into how many parts? 2 parts. Do you guys agree with me? Yes or no?
Okay, sir.
Yes or no, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? Now, when you divide this 3 into 2 parts, okay, so how will the division can happen? One will be what? 1, 1, and another will be 2. Yes or no, guys?
Mm-hmm.
Tell me, guys, yes or no?
Yeah.
So now tell me, for marketing, how many records are there? Tell me.
Only two records
So how the division will happen? 1 and 2.
by two.
Yeah.
One and two. Yeah.
Now tell me how many records are there for sales?
5. No, 5. 6.
Six.
6.
6 records are there. Yes or no, guys? See here. 6. So now how the division will happen? Tell me.
Then 4 by 2, right? 4 ones, two twos.
No, you have only 2 tiles. Okay. So what will happen? So how you can do? You can divide the 6 by what? 2. Yes or no? 6 by 2 means what? How the division will happen? Per division will be 3, 3. So this 3 will be 1, and this 3 will be 1. Yes or no, guys?
Okay.
This 3 will be 1, and this 3 will be 2. Yes
So
or no, guys?
for even number, it will be equally divided.
Not even number, odd number. Our total number of records are 6. You have to
6.
divide it into 2 parts. So how will you divide? 3, 3.
3, 3. Yes.
Yes or no,
I
guys?
mean, 4 2 also we can do, right?
No, because the value is 2 here and tile is 2. You
Mhm.
cannot just make it, you have to make it in
By
equal
2.
parts.
Okay.
You
Okay.
have to
Okay.
make it in equal parts. But here,
Okay. Got it.
what is
Got
the
it.
problem? Here in for finance, there are 3 records. You cannot make it as,
Yeah. I got it.
you have to give someone 2 and someone you have to give 1. Yes or no?
Yeah.
Okay.
If suppose 7 is there, what happens?
No. If suppose there is 7, okay, then what will happen, guys?
Sales.
Then again,
Sales.
4 and 3 will be there. Yes or no?
Okay.
So
1.
suppose
4
there
and
was,
3.
yeah, 4 and 3.
4
What?
ones,
Yeah,
three
tell me.
twos.
Huh?
4 ones,
I
3
will show
twos.
that. I'll show that. Okay. First, let us concentrate here.
Yeah.
Okay. Leave that R&D. First, are you clear with these things? Tell me.
Yes. Clear.
See, if there was one more finance, it would be 4 and 2 divisions for 1, 2 divisions for 2. Do you guys agree
Yeah.
with me?
Correct.
Yeah.
Correct.
Yes.
Are you clear till
Yes.
this much? Let us just,
Yeah. Clear.
let us just focus here. Okay. Now I'm putting
Yeah.
a 4th division. Now let us just, come to their doubts. So now let us just, we are making 4 divisions now. So let us just try to see the output. Yeah. So now let us just try to, understand. We have turned the NTILE as 4, and now let us just try to understand the output. Okay. So let us just leave it like this, guys, only. Now tell me, NTILE equals to how much? What is the value of NTILE divisions we have
4.
taken? Tiles 4.
4.
And so now what will happen? How many departments are there for finance?
3.
The marketing.
2.
Marketing is 2, and sales is how many?
6.
6. Yes or no, guys? Sales is 6 or 5?
It was 6 actually. 1, 2, 3,
3,
4, 5. 5
5.
here.
5. Okay. So now, okay, let it be, 5. Okay. Now tell me, guys. Now this is your condition. Okay. Now entile
Mhm.
4. So now what will happen? How can you divide this 3 value into 4? So what is it is
3 by
doing? 1,
3 by
1,
4.
1, 1, 2, 3. It has divided. Okay. Because the value is more here. Now tell me for
Uh-huh.
marketing, it is simple 1, 2. Yes or
1,
no?
2.
For
Mhm.
sales, there are 5 records. So what is happening? How will we divide? Two values will be similar. Yes or no?
1,
It is second
1,
1,
1.
1, and then it is
Yeah,
second
2,
2,
3,
3,
4.
4. Yes or no,
Yeah,
guys?
Yes.
yes.
So now what will happen is that yeah. What was your question? You were telling me no. Suppose no. Where is that Excel? Yeah. Yeah, what was your question? One more sales is there, yes or no? So let us just,
Yeah.
add one more sales, okay? So come here, let us just, add one more record, okay? So what will happen is that I just, want to add one more record. So what can I do? I can just, add one more, a tuple here. Do you guys agree with me? And give a comma, yes or no, guys? And I can just, give some another name, Safi, something I'm giving, okay? And I'm taking the entire as 2, yes or no, guys? Let us
Okay.
just see how
Yes.
the division output will come.
1, 1, 1, 4, 4, 3, 3, 2, 2, 2. 4, 1, 3, 2.
Yeah.
Yeah. So let us just, try to, this time again, analyze the output. Okay. I'm just, pasting here. Oh, no. This is not the ideal way. So let us just paste here. Yeah. Now, guys, just try to focus on the, output. So now we have taken entire as 2 and we have incremented, one sales. Yes or no? Yes or no,
Yes, sir.
guys?
Yes. Yes.
So finance is, 2. Okay. And finance is 3, sorry, and marketing is 2. Yes or no, guys? Yes. And sales is how many? Sales is
7,
6. Yes or no, guys?
2, 3.
Yes.
So now we are dividing by 2. Yes or no, guys? No, but we want to increment one more sales, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Believe me.
7.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Michael, is that sales has not come? 1, 2, 3, and then 4, 5, 6 is sales is coming, and there's 3 finance and 2 marketing. What is the output to? How it is? Sales is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, right? What are the sales? One is James, okay? One is, one more is James. How many James are there? Yeah, one more is James, okay. And one is, Michael. Yes or no? Where is that Michael? Michael is coming. Now, what is the left for sales? Saf is coming. Saf Y is coming. Anyone we are, missing sales? Are we putting 6 only? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 cells are there. Go one more. You will let me just insert. Just give me 1 second. Let me just insert one more. Sales. Make it 7. Okay. So now this time I'm entering suppose something called as Mukesh.
So comma after that.
Okay,
Yes.
comma I missed. Okay, that is this. Yeah. Finance is 3. Marketing is
2.
2. And sales is how many?
7.
Yes, it's 7. This time it is perfect. Yes or no, guys?
Yes, sir.
And NTILE we are taking is how many? 2.
2.
Yes or no? Yes.
Yeah.
So for finance, what will happen? 3, we have to make 2 divisions. There are 3 records. So 2 we have given 1 1. Next we have given 2. Yes or no, guys? This is perfect. Yes or no, guys?
Yes, sir.
Next, this is guys, perfect. Next we come here for marketing 1 2. There are only 2 division. Yes or no? The most important is sales, guys. Okay. So now we have how many records? 7 records. So 4 records will be at one shot, and 3 records will be at one shot. Yes or no, guys? So for the
Yes.
first 4 records, it has given us 1, and on next 3 records, it has given us 2. That's what I was telling. Yes or no, guys?
Yes. Now it's clear, sir.
Now, are you getting the clarity? Yes or no,
Yes.
guys? How the NTILE is working? Yes or no?
Yes.
So what is NTILE window function? Returns the relative rank of result rows. Okay, it gives a relative rank, guys. Okay, a rank of rank of result rows within a partition. So within a partition, it gives a relative rank. Okay, in the below we have used 2 as an argument to NTILE, and hence it returns ranking between values 1 and 2. So it is returning the values between what? 1 and 2, guys. Yes or no? If I write the NTILE as 3, then what will happen? Tell me. It will return the ranking between what? 1, 2, and 3. Do you guys agree with me? Yes or no, guys?
Yeah.
Because the ranking in NTILE will return a relative rank, okay, based on the value you are presenting in the NTILE. For the particular division, whatever partition we have done, for that it will give a relative rank based on the number we have, number of arguments we have written. So this time we had written 2, now we are writing 3. So there will be 3 ranks given to the partitions which is done. Yes or no, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Let us see. So now what will happen, guys? For this one, it is fine. 1, 2, 3. Do you guys agree with me for
Yeah.
finance?
Yeah.
For
Yeah.
marketing, it will 1, 2. Now what will happen? There are 7 records here. Okay. Now we want it into the 3 ranks. So what will happen? 3. And then what will happen? 2 and 2. Yes or no, guys? So that is what is called as relative rank, guys. How many ranks you want to give in NTILE? Am I clear, guys? Tell me yes or no.
Sir,
Yeah.
in actual scenario, actual means real time, when we will use this kind of NTILE function in real case,
Huh?
in real day-to-day case, when we will use this NTILE.
NTILE actually, when we want to, divide the, number of records, okay, then we, when we want to make a, divide the records from a number which is we are specifying. Suppose for a particular brand is there, okay. For the brand, we want to, we want that for a particular brand, we want to analyze, what is the ranking we want to do for us. So that kind of brands, suppose there is a brand called as, Lee brand, and for this Lee brand, so suppose I want to give it a category, okay. For the category, if I want to partition it based on the category, and sort it based on the size, and then for that, if we want a particular particular rank, we want to give we want the rank, either it will be 1 or it will be a 2. Suppose there is a brand, okay, Lee brand is there. So for the Lee brand, I want to make only 2 ranks, okay. So either it is a premium quality or it is a low quality, okay. So like that,
Okay.
we that time we will give NTILE. Okay. So
Okay.
either it is
Okay.
premium quality or it is not a premium quality. So for those
Okay.
kind of situations, okay, that time we will, will give a rank called as NTILE. Yes or no, guys?
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Yeah.
So I think, guys, enough we have learned about,
Windows function.
Windows function. I don't think there is another any no further window function will be made, and which can be, asked to you. Okay. Yes or no, guys?
Yes.
Yes.
So this is just a, guys, one I had written. So this is, with column, and this is the row number using the Windows specification. Okay. Dot with column, which is the average, we wanted to take. This is the sum we wanted to take, minimum, maximum, anything we can take. And for that, I wanted to take, row equals to 1. And then I wanted to select those, departments. So select method, again, I will teach you guys. So this was the output. So again, I will discuss when I will, teach you the select method, how to select the values. So this I will again, guys, teach you. So leave this one. But the rest, guys, the window functions are over. Yes or no, guys? Do you agree with me? Yes
Yeah.
or no? Are you
Yes, sir.
clear with, rank, dense rank, row number, and then aggregate function, and then the
Yeah.
NTILE, lead, lag? Yes or no, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes.
So I think that this is enough for the, window function. Let us not learn more than this. More than this, no interview will ask. Select method, guys. Again, I will teach you. Okay. Then I will discuss
Yeah.
this one. And then, guys, there's, there's not, this is the end of the, window function. Yes or no, guys? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
So after this, guys, we will take something called as, there's something called as UDF, and there's something called as RDD, okay? User defined function, what is resilient and distributed data, and then there's something called as joins. So these three main topics are there, guys. So first I want to complete the, joins, and then, RDD, and then the UDF. And once I complete these three topics, then, by, I think by one day, everything will take RDD, joins, and guys, the UDF, and then few more functions are there which I will discuss on Friday. So by Friday I will try to complete your PySpark, and if not by Friday, definitely by Monday we will try to complete the PySpark, and then we can proceed with the next topics. Okay, guys.
Yeah.
So that's all for today, guys. Let me just stop the recording, but before that,